This is a model of solar system. Okay, start.
Solar system. This is Saturn. This is Jupiter. And this is Uranus. This is Mercury. This is Venus. This is Earth. This is spaceship. This is Mars. This is Neptune. And this is Uranus.
Sun, where is sun?
And this is Sun. And where is Earth? The borders they around the sun. What is this? The planets is around the sun with the help of orbit. The planets are Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn.
You need to explain it. Explain this. This is Earth. This is Venus.
Today we will show something like a lava by adding this tablet and this colorful water.
What happened?
The bubble
Why dog is sleeping? You explain this.
This is a electricity generator. This is a electricity generator. We use battery and we give the connection to this motor and the light. If the white touch means the light will glow and the fan will run. The topic of this when current is not used, we can use this.
ये कटपल्ली गाँव है कुछ साल पहले इस तरह था कई झोपड़े और मुख्तलिफ किस्म के दरख्त यहाँ मौजूद है और एक बहुत बड़ा तालाब भी मौजूद है एक दफा का ये है कि कुछ लोगों ने सोचा कि इस गाँव को खरीदकर यहाँ पर होटल और फैक्ट्री हायर करें और इस गाँव को शहर में तब्दील करें वो कुछ इस तरह देख सकते हैं कि कटपल्ली गाँव के इस तालाब को होटल और फैक्ट्री से निकलने वाले गंदे पानी की वजह से आलूदा हो चुका है और ये जगह जंगल को काट दिया गया और जब इंसान और इंसान की ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट की वजह से जंगल को काट कर बना रहे हैं और जंगलों को काट कर लगाने का नतीजा बन रहा है इसकी वजह से जमीन जलजले वाक़े हो रहे हैं और नासूर होती जा रही है और तूफानों में भी सैलाब आ रहे हैं सूरज की रोशनी पानी तालाबों में छोड़ दिया जाता है इसकी वजह से पानी खराब हो जाता है। 2/3 हिस्सा सीने के बाएं जानिब और एक तिहाई 1/3 हिस्सा बाएं जानिब होता है जो खून को जिस्म के तमाम हिस्सों तक बंद करता है। And widespread adoption. Pass the liquids in a rubber cups like water, coconut oil, milk and lemon juice. Water, milk, oil. Water, milk and lemon juice are the good conductors. The water, milk and lemon juice already flows except coconut oil It won't flows because it is the back conductor of heat.
What is that in that? Coconut oil.
Falcon.
Volcanoes are also manifestations of the very power contained deep within the earth when thick magma and large amount of gas build up under the surface. Eruptions can be explosive, expelling lava, rocks, and ash into the air. Nowadays, people are suffering with pollution problems, so it is quite a positive villages. Very calm, no noise pollution, and green trees are seen everywhere.
These are two different types of pollution. That is pollution free and surrounded by to get air and jet sheds everywhere.
This is Mada Lakshmi. This village is made entirely of pipes, wooden board, and cylinders. In this fuel is natural. It works on the basis of air and water exhaustion. Nowadays, people are using plastic things and throwing here and there. Because of this, nowadays people are using plastic things and throwing here and there. Plastic things are not dissolved in the soil. Because of this, soil is getting polluted. Next, air pollution. Factories emit a lot of smoke. By this, air is getting polluted. Do you know the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world? Yes. It is made up of pure white marble, but the scientists are worried that it will lose its color because Taj Mahal is surrounded by many factories which emit gases. Because of these pollutions, global warming is occurring, and the gases like sulfur dioxide, phosphorus, etc. goes up and